What's up, guys? Mainly Hockey Cards here, and today just got back from the National. We're gonna rip 2022-23 Trilogy. Haven't ripped this yet. As you can see, it's already sliced open. That's because I did bring the National Sports Collectors Convention promo packs home. Had pretty good luck with these so far. I'll have a recap up in the next few days, but hopefully this will do for now. Also got a box of ice. I think I'll save that for a different video. Let's get going on this. Promo pack first. All right. McDavid. Don't even know who that is. Matt Boldy, rookie. And Kochetkov, rookie. Okay, so no auto in that pack, but that's okay. Let's rip the trilogy. 6 packs per box, 4 cards per pack. This will be a super quick rip, I feel. Let's get going on this. Got something plexi in here. All right, so we got Malkin, Braden Schneider, Trilogy Rookie Premieres of $2.99, and what is this? Oh, that's sweet. Oh, that's sweet. Kochetkov, Rookie Premier Acetate out of 99. 99, that's gonna be hard to focus on, but look how sweet that thing is. Wow, that is nice. Really cool. I like that a lot. Well, this box is off to a heck of a start. Lane Peterson. Why is Lane Peterson in this product? Drunk Kyrie. Right, Patrick Kane, Thomas Bordeleau, rookie renditions. Not a redemption. That's good. And oh, okay. Trilogy rookie premieres, Matty Beniers out of $6.99. This is a really good box already. This is a level 3. Very nice. Very happy with that. Connor Garland, congratulations. Oh boy, well, that's not a good sign. Hopefully it'll be kind of nice. We'll see. Carlson, got a Frederick Karlstrom level 1 rookie premieres. That's not great. Okay, Connor Garland jersey. I was gonna say if that was our auto, I was gonna be in trouble, but that's all right. Got Marco Rossi on the back. That's promising. Past, Present, Future, Trilogy Generations, Jeremy Swayman. That's cool. Oh, we've got 2 cards in here. Nikita Okhotyuk, rookie premieres, and a Marco Rossi, rookie premieres. That's not bad either. Trilogy's kind of loaded, it seems. This is very cheap at the show, so seems like hits are on the back. I'm going to try and avoid that. That is a really thick card. I'm going to wait on that. All right. Fleury, Past, Present, Future. John Gibson. Got something blue here. Blue out of $3.99. Lucas Reichel. Guy you want to get right now before he explodes. I think he's going to be a superstar with Bedard. So very happy with that little pull right there, even though these aren't worth a ton. So, all right, I guess we'll go from the back here. This really thick one. Bishnevich. We've got a rookie renditions red of Mark Kastelik. Red Wings. Dude. Oh, what a hit. Jonathan Berggren, signature rookie pucks. Dang. Not usually the biggest fan of signature pucks, but this is nice. I'm happy with that. Wow. That was a heck of a box. That is a heck of a box. I guess I'll hold on to this one for a while. Very nice. 2022-23 Upper Deck Trilogy, treating me well. If you guys enjoyed the video, leave a like and consider subscribing. It's free and you can always change your mind later. Peace.